Howdy, y'all. Tomorrow morning, bright and early, I'm loading up the motorcycle and spending a couple days camping, sleeping in a hammock in the middle of nowhere or somewhere in the middle of nowhere. I don't know. But tonight, we're having pork chops. Check them babies out. So, I took some teriyaki sauce and injected, and that's been soaking inside to make them nice and moist. And then I used my salt, pepper, garlic, which is coarse ground sea salt, coarse ground black pepper, granulated garlic, some Mrs. Dash, paprika, and I think I added some oregano this time. No, parsley. I added some parsley. And also some Greek seasoning, because pork chops like to be either Italian or Greek if you let them. So, let's get cooking. Okay, now hopefully the camera doesn't overheat from sitting out here in the sun. Look how nice and thick these babies are, huh? I know. Supposed to be using thin pork chops on the griddle. You're doing it wrong! Always someone with an opinion. And I just thought of something else that's going to make these pretty awesome. Some Trader Joe's South African smoke seasoning blend. I like this stuff. We're gonna add some of that, and we got it on the griddle, and then we're gonna pull out our secret weapon, the party hat. No, the melting dome. That really helps steam. And it should be moist enough, but we'll add a little steam anyway. That makes a big difference. It cooks faster, it retains moisture, and you get steam action going. So let's give it some time and see what happens. Hello there, boys and girls. Welcome back to our neighborhood. It's been, I think, maybe 10 minutes. Look how well that, whoa, look at that sear. How well it's cooking. Now the griddle is on the, I'm losing it. One notch above low, 1.5 notches above low. I've mentioned it before, up here in the mountains where we are above Santa Barbara, for some reason, the griddle gets hot. I don't know if it's the oxygen level. We're not that high up. We're 2,000 feet up or something. But it gets hot. So I cook most things on low. Looks like there's going to be a lot of turning, a lot of rotating, and I'll even be searing the sides separately probably, or definitely. So maybe another 10 minutes on this side, and then we're going to start flipping onto the sides. I was hoping to do a reverse sear. The griddle says no, we're going to sear it now. So which the teriyaki sauce that I used as an injection probably helped get that char on there. But let's keep it going and we'll be back. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes. Let's see what's going on. Oh, it smells good. Look at that. Just look at that. I would hold it up closer, but I don't want to drop it and get in trouble or have to eat food that fell on the floor or anything like that. Okay, we're gonna we're gonna juggle the food. There we go. Trying to get it to stand up. Get that char on the side. Looks like a 4 of a kind. If I had one more, I could go for a full house. Look at that. Now, we'll put that on a sec. And I happen to have a thermometer. I'm digging out while you're staring at a thing. And we want it to be about 140, 145, just out of curiosity. I know we're not close. 180, okay. That's probably not right. Huh? I can't believe it's cooked all the way through that fast, but according to my thermometer, these giant, thick pork chops are done, and that just shouldn't be. So we'll still go for the char. I guess my marinade worked or something, or I don't know. It don't make no kind of sense that it only took 20 minutes, 10 minutes aside. But we're gonna flip it and keep getting the char, and y'all come back. Okay, y'all, I've been flipping and flopping and turning and rotating, try and get the sear all the way around. I may kick it up just a little bit now. Another notch, 2 for the final sear. And these smell so good. Look how kind of moist and meaty. I think we're on to something good. So I'll leave you. Actually, maybe after I take them off, I'll give you one more look, and then I'll let you go. All right, y'all. Looky there, looky there. You ever seen anything so pretty? No, you ain't. Don't lie. So, we're having pork chops. Got some taters and green beans, I think, cooking in the kitchen. And we got some good eating ahead of us. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, sharing, subscribing, constructive hints and tips. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you sometime after our camping trip.